So this is the first part of the research that we're doing. We wanted to figure out some way to be able to scan essentially black and white images. So for now, I'm just showing you like basically this square that I drew with a Sharpie. And this code that I'm using is actually the same one that Mark Rober demonstrated. In this case, this is a pen that I put a photoresistor in, and this is a blue LED. And so when we have it set up so it's pointed right, you can actually see that the servo changes with the black light here. So we thought that that might be some way we could do it, because what's happening is the blue light is reflecting off the white paper, and of course it doesn't reflect in the black section. However, if you notice, the servo is not really moving that much. So our second thought is if we have it, and I'm just going to take this out. So now we're going to depower the LED. Here, I'll just take this one out here. So now instead of the black light, you can see here that the just testing anyway. That one came out now. So now we see that that's working when we're using the full light. And so now we're going to try the other method, which is just like a backlit paper here. And so we're seeing here now a little bit, maybe a little bit more than what we saw with just the LED alone. And so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start looking at different levels of where we should set that photoresistor to kind of be an on-off switch. So when it's looking at something that's dark, what the levels should be compared to something that's just plain white.